Have you ever hesitated to start something new? Not because you didn't want it, but because you were afraid to fail. That silent hesitation, that moment of doubt, is the invisible prison that many of us live in. We replay worst-case scenarios in our heads before we even begin. What if I mess up? What if people judge me? And before we know it, opportunities slip away, not because we weren't capable, but because fear convinced us we weren't. In Japan, failure is seen differently. While many of us see failure as the end, the Japanese see it as part of the path. Their culture teaches that stumbling is not shameful. It's proof that you are trying. This video will explore a Japanese concept that has helped millions overcome the fear of failure, a mindset that allows you to breathe again. To take that step forward without the crushing weight of self-doubt. In Japan, there's a saying, Shippai wa Seikō, no Moto. Failure is the foundation of success. It's a gentle reminder that every mistake you make builds the ground on which success will stand. In schools and workplaces, people are encouraged to learn through doing, even if that means making mistakes along the way. The Japanese don't glorify perfection, they respect persistence. Think about how that changes everything when you stop labeling failure as the opposite of success and start seeing it as part of success. Your fear begins to lose its power. You realize that every failed attempt isn't proof of weakness, but evidence of courage. Every no you receive is simply one step closer to yes. The moment you shift your mindset to embrace this concept, life begins to open up in ways you never thought possible. The Japanese philosophy of Kaizen teaches that small, continuous improvements create extraordinary results. It's not about giant leaps or instant transformation. It's about gentle, consistent steps toward becoming better each day. When fear of failure overwhelms you, Kaizen whispers, just one small step today. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to begin imperfectly, honestly, humanly. Because progress, no matter how small, builds momentum. It builds confidence. It turns the impossible into something achievable. Every day that you choose to move forward, even a little, you weaken the hold that fear has over your life. Remember, you don't climb a mountain in one jump. You climb it one step at a time. There's an ancient Japanese art called Kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired using gold. Instead of hiding the cracks, they fill them with beauty, transforming what was once broken into something even more valuable. It's a breathtaking metaphor for life. Our mistakes, heartbreaks, and failures are not flaws to be hidden, but stories to be celebrated. Imagine seeing your failures that way. The moments you thought ruined, you were actually shaping you. Each crack in your heart, each disappointment you faced, all of them were laying the foundation for the person you are becoming. You are not broken. You are becoming. And those golden scars, they are proof that you had the courage to keep going. Ganbatte is one of the most commonly used words in Japan. It means do your best, but it carries a deeper meaning. Give your all and release what you cannot control. It's not about winning. It's about showing up fully, with sincerity and heart. It's about trusting that your effort, even if it doesn't lead to success, still has meaning. When you embrace Ganbatte, you free yourself from the unbearable pressure to always succeed. You stop measuring your worth by outcomes, and instead, you begin to value your journey. Some days, your best will look small. Other days, it will look powerful. But either way, it's yours, and that is enough. True peace comes when you learn to do your best and let go of the rest. When you accept that failure is not the enemy, but the teacher, life changes. You stop running from fear and start walking with it. You realize that courage isn't the absence of fear. It's the decision to move forward despite it. The Japanese way teaches us to honor our process, to find beauty in imperfection, and to celebrate growth, no matter how uneven or uncertain it may be. So today, take that first step. Write that message. Start that project. Chase that dream. You don't need to be fearless, just willing. Every mistake will polish your spirit. Every setback will refine your strength. And every time you rise, you'll remember, freedom was never about being perfect. It was about daring to try.